All right, good afternoon, everyone. It is 12:03 p.m. Eastern Time, July 22nd, 2025. What do we have here? Well, according to the news feed, a lot going on, but Trump just said that we're thinking about no tax on capital gains and houses. All right, think about that. Capital gains. How would that do for the traders, huh? No tax on capital gains? That's good. That would be great. I think he's just really banking on like all these tariffs that are supposedly going to be coming in. But anyway, we trade what we see. And what I see here is I see a little bit of a pullback. So I got a question from a subscriber saying, how often do I look at the candlestick chart? Well, it's part of my tools. I look at it all the time. Whatever's here on I look at this. I have another screen, but it has my watch list on it. It has my account info, how many trades I take, what my working orders are, what my positions are. I have that above me. To the left of me, I also have a little laptop or tablet top that has my news feed from my Discord, and that's real time, so I could see what's coming in. And yeah, so pretty much that's it. Yeah. Little buying imbalance here. These auctions are finished. Pretty good. So my other video, I changed thing here. It's a little easier for my eye to pick up. The color. PLC just moved up. So I'm still kind of figuring out the colors here. I think I have what I need. Pretty much set up the way I like it now. What I need. All I need. Oh, and I moved the profit and loss here. All right, so what do we got? $36.50 may look like, right here, may look like a little bit of resistance. You got 200 sellers here, 189. So these are passive offers or asks, and these change, okay? These could completely change anytime. They're adding, they're moving, and you see, this is the actual stacking and pulling. They name it liquidity, right? But still, when we take a look and we look for trades, we're looking at delta. Where are the aggressive buyers? Well, the aggressive buyers were up in these areas here, right? So if we're seeing aggressive sells, or more limits on the sell orders, right? We want to kind of see if we got any correlation between any of this. We want to take a look at these numbers here. Now, this is your actual footprint right in here. This is your footprint. This is this. All right. These are executed orders. These are executed orders. So basically, what you want to see, do we have more sellers than buyers? These are aggressive buyers, and these are aggressive sellers. Right? Now, your passive buyers are here. These are your passive buyers. And these are your passive sellers. So these are the people who just put in an order to buy or sell. And, you know, you can remove your order, take the order off the book. So they're adding liquidity. They're adding liquidity at passive buyers and sellers. Over here, they're taking the liquidity. You're hitting the bid, right? These sellers are hitting the bid. More selling comes in here, takes these offers off the table, and the price moves down to sellers. So if you don't have a lot coming in, it's probably going to hold the level. And it works on the other side as well. Right? So they just added to this level here. 25, they added it. So see if they're adding it again. Are they adding or subtracting? So they added it and then they pulled it. So let's take a look at the bigger numbers, 153, 150, okay, 3,400. And we did some trading around there last, I have a video that I got to publish. What I used to do is I used to go ahead and look at the videos and then, you know, make sure they were okay, no, you know, swearing in them and stuff like that. And then I'll post them. But now it takes away from my trading. So I'm just going to trade and I'll post when I have the video set up. So you see 128, 130, we really didn't go up. See, all these market orders are hitting these orders and we're staying right here. So now we want to see if these lighten up. You see them just had 100 to 76, back to 100. Okay. Now it just took it all. So these sellers are offering, and then you got buyers with market orders hitting these things. So do we have more sellers? See, this is a big number right here. Okay. Sellers came in to knock this down, but look, we're going up. Right? We're not coming down. We're going back up. So we want to see these things. We want to see more market orders hit inside here. Then we're going to bring the market up. But right now you see they don't have any. 4, 6, 8, 6, very small numbers. They have some resistance here. There was some trading here at 35 even. We're at 33. You know, that could be a 2-point move right there. So let's see if we got support here. We have some support in here, 130, 140, 167, 160, 158, 166. This is still holding this level, 170, and that's 32 even. Okay, so we want to take a look at that. Keep that in mind. 32. This is where you got a lot of bids. We're not able to get above here. We want to see more market orders hit inside here. So if we take a look at the footprint, you got 220. We're not going up any higher. You got a hidden seller here at 30. This actually tells you better, for me, if you got hidden buy. Like right now, could we get above? Like 3350, 3375, even 34, they come back down to 3300. We'll see. Like right now, it's telling me that, we're getting all these orders hitting there, but we're not actually going down any. All right. No, 3, see 11, couldn't get up, but I think we are gonna. 42, 47, right? 38, 31. We have a divergence. So let's say we got 157 sellers here, weren't able to get down any lower. Now I'm going to wait for a little pullback. 19, 20, 10 came back. 11 came back. 12 came back. 37, 39, 44, 22 came back. Still not able to push up. Remember, we have a whole bunch of sellers here. So this could be a resistance area, right? All right, we just passed right by those sellers like it was nothing. All right, we got a bunch of delta here. Still coming down, 34. I like to be long, right about 34. Don't know if I'll be able to get it. Profile step, we have point of control right here. 61, still not able to get above it. 10. These are small numbers. Take a look at what we have. 214, that would have been pretty decent. Right? So this, they bought it right here at 33.50. That's the way I look at that. Big buyer wasn't able to get through here. We got 21 back. So we're gearing up for a move here. You got buyers trying to come in. Buyers hitting these bids, not big. You see these numbers are very small. 38, 32, 11 in the middle. It's very small here. It's going to be hard to get through 36. 178, this could show a little bit of resistance here. 37 is probably where I'd like to short. We'll see. The short right here. 37. As I'm buying into this, let's see if it comes out. I can always take my order out. They got 507, not able to get up. 513, not able to get up. 39, not able to get up. We got some sellers, buyers. So they're right in this area here, they're fighting. Look at this. This is good. So this is a pretty good area to learn. If you don't understand the dome, they're adding orders, adding orders, adding orders, not able to get up. Okay, I have my order in at 37. So I want to see these numbers increase. Right, 38. They're not able to get above 38. So are they going to get exhausted and then come back down? We'll see. Where's 38 come out? Over here. 38's about right here. Yeah. Look at all that buying there. Do we come back up or do we come straight down? I'm thinking straight down. We'll see. Could be wrong. See if they're stacking these bids, these offers. See if they offer. 47, 102, 112. Yep. Small numbers. See if these numbers increase. 40, 52. We're staying here now. 56, unable to get above it. Shot down 2. So we're in the trade right now. We got 126 buyers before. Let's see if it could come down below that. We want to see these numbers lessen. We want to see more on this side here. 102. This is building. 25, 29, 113, 114. Just of it now. $920, 0. So we've seen this before in the price action. 17s, these are not building. 56, 128, we just dropped. This could go either way. Maybe to the POC, we'll see, but I'll manipulate the stop, when I'm able to. So we still keep concentration here. These bids are not many. 117 still able to come down a little bit. Very small amounts here. You got buying. You just had a seller come in. We have 100 bids here. 36, let's wipe that out. Okay, wipe that one out. Went down a couple of levels. Came back up real fast. So it's just a game. So maybe 37.75, 35.75. That's where we were before. And now. You got 113, we came back down a little bit. 112 came back down, only one came back. So I'm thinking these bids are getting light. Going back there, we need to see more volume here. Okay. We need to see more volume here. You had a whole bunch of bids come in here. These guys are stuck. Locking a little profit. We'll see if we can come down a little bit. Still looks good. I'm only one tick from a stop here. Break the point of control. I think we could come down a little more. We're just going to let it rip. All right. I'm all right with that. A point and a quarter. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, comment, share to all your socials. And yeah, I'll continue to do this and post if I'm getting feedback, positive feedback, or negative feedback. It doesn't matter. Feedback is feedback. I'm all right with whatever. How I can improve. You know, I'm new at this. I'm not, you know, a post. I never posted. I've been trading since 2008. I've always documented my work. You know, my either journaled or videoed. You know, back in the day when you had a Super 8 camera, I mean, there was no software to record. And if they did have recording software, it was expensive. Now everything's free. I mean, I'm using OBS. It's free. You know, I invested in a small little webcam. Most monitors have webcams now, but the one I have didn't. I got a mic. That's it. You know, if you guys could enjoy, could learn, then that's all good. You know, nothing wrong with that. So that's about it. I'm going to let this one go. It's 21 minutes. I have another video that I've set up, and that's about it. All right. So thanks again, and see you on the next one.